here. Look at that gravy. Guys, today I'm cooking sweet chili sauce. What I need to do is melt the butter. And this one is the chicken with already marinated with salt and pepper. Okay, I just put it here. Okay, in meantime, I'm gonna to explain what we needed. Okay, I have here pineapple, I have cucumber, I have a tomato, slice of tomato, and this one is slice of lime, garlic, onion, and this is spring onion, and here is the sauce. What is here is oyster sauce. You need the stock chicken, small stock chicken, little bit only. Here, sugar, salt, and little bit light sauce, tomato sauce, and chili sauce, and sweet sauce. That's it. That is what is inside. Look, the chicken is okay, ready, and then put it here. And then I use this one to the onion and the chopper garlic. Just use the oil from it. Okay, this one, I forgot the ginger. Mention the ginger, slice of ginger. Okay, look. And then cucumber inside. The pineapple. Spring onion. All ingredients go inside except the lime. Look, sauce. The sauce inside. Put a little bit water. There. If you want more chili, you can add more chili. If you like spicy, smell is good. Here, last, put back the chicken. And you just wait for a few seconds. Just to make sure that the chicken is already together with the gravy. Here, okay, the last part you need to do is little bit of maizena and little bit water to thick the sauce, the gravy, just a little bit, and you are done. That is finished. Here, look at that gravy. Wow, this one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you see, this one is my food. This is the eggplant with prawn. You can check my other YouTube channel. And this is for my husband. This is for me, spicy. And this is sweet and sour, little bit of spicy. Okay, bye bye.